I am Mathew Vairamon. I am a candidate for JP Precinct 3 Judge in Fort Bend County. I have legal degree and experience, writing experience and teaching experience. I want to serve the community. I can use my decades of experience for the community. So I have a PhD in Administration of Justice, MS in Criminal Justice, LLM in Criminal Law, and more than 15 years teaching experience. I have written several articles. I have published on chapter with a professor in a book. It was published by Sage Publication. The topic for the chapter was plea bargaining. So I think I can use my years of experience for the community. That's why I am running for this position. JP Precinct 3 handles real life issues, evictions, traffic citations, small claims, and minor Class C misdemeanor criminal cases and civil cases up to 20,000. So we have a lot of, this is a people's court. So we need a good lawyer judge with the understanding of diverse community. There in Fort Bend County, people from different races are living. So if a lawyer knows the background, then it will help to make the decision on the bench. My opponents are not lawyers. They have some experience in law enforcement. In JP Precinct 3 Judge, law degree is not required, but it will be beneficial. I have a law degree, attorney license, teaching experience. That will be beneficial, and I will be ready to serve on the day on without much training. Because I am a precinct chair in the Republican Party more than 15 years. I am loyal to the party. I am with the party for the several state delegates, and I attended several conferences. And I believe in family values. So Republicans should nominate me as a Precinct 3 judge. Yeah, this is the primary election. I need to win the primary election. In order to face an incumbent lawyer judge, we need an attorney. So I am an attorney in my race. I'm the only attorney in my race. So I need your vote to win the general election. So I need your support and vote.